Hello! So, I was at my local shop this morning and they had a hot food stamp plate. And I asked how long they kept the food in there for and they said about 4 hours, so I thought it's something I'd try with the bike, see if we can reheat a bacon sandwich. So what I'm going to do is go around with this little temperature sensor and find the best place to heat my food. So, it looks like the best place to heat our food is just touching the exhaust pipe, being wedged under this little metal bit down here. So that's what we're going to go with. So, I've just finished cooking my bacon roll. The bike's now had time to cool down, so I've decided I'm going to move it over slightly and we're going to place it just down in there. It's got a bit of exhaust pipe in there and plenty of heat. It's not going to move around and you've got about enough room to fit 2 sausage and bacon baps, so perfect for me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take probably an hour and a half ride after that cools down a little bit more, and then we're going to reheat it to a nice temperature and see if after an hour and a half it's still edible without the taste of fumes. So let's go. So we've got an absolutely beautiful sunset. And now I'm going to enjoy my nice tasty bacon roll. I've left my glove on because I can imagine that's pretty hot in there. Oh, come on, out you come. Oh, that looks beautiful. Right, let's open it up. The meat looks a bit drier, so it's still quite hot. Give that a moment. Well, I'm slightly disappointed that I didn't bring any sauce, but here we go. Apart from the fact it's a bit dry from no sauce, that's absolutely perfect. Tastes brilliant. No chemical fuel fumes attached to it, so we know it works. Now I can enjoy a bacon roll on the go, and so hopefully can you. So I'll see you next time. So it doesn't just have to be bacon that you're cooking, it can be anything you want to cook, so go wild with it. Try chips, egg, beans, I don't know, see what works, and let me know in the comments.